On a serious
We
note.
have to. We're looking sick, Lizzie. I'm going to be ill tomorrow.
It's snowing in Joburg!
When I'm saying it's cold, you're telling me it's snowing in Joburg.
It is snowing in Joburg and I'm witnessing it.
Oh no!
For the first time ever in my life, I'm seeing snow in Johannesburg. This is exciting for me. Okay, the age of 27, that's bad. But hey, it's awesome!
Are you mad?
Ari!
Like flipping mad. My God!
This is the spokesperson for the MEC for Agriculture.
And I'm in the snow.
And she's complaining about her fake hair.
Yes, I
Weave.
bought it. When I bought it, it's mine. So it is my hair, bought for. But where is this guy going? Oh no, like seriously?
Oh, come on. Just enjoy it.
No, hell no.
Guys, how do you feel about the snow?
Great!
Unanang ka snow, Dad? What is that snow?
Oh,
Are you being serious right now? Please give me a lift. Oh God.
Where is he parked?
I don't know.
Where's the guy?
It's going further, man.
Okay, this is exciting.
No, I might as well just go to my freaking...
Hi, Mama, how do you feel about the snow?
yeah, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Lucky, it's first time in my life I get something like this.
Here comes the guy with an umbrella. Oh, please, please come back. Like, seriously.
Okay, clearly I'm not the only one that's excited about this.
No, I'm excited.
Snowing, Joburg in 2012. For the first time, I'm witnessing it. It's excitement. It might be cold, but this is exactly what I was hoping for one day.
The snow is beautiful.
Bye-bye.
I have to go.
How do you feel about the snow? How do you feel about the snow? How do you feel about the snow?
I feel better.
How do you feel about the snow, Dad?
I feel very nice.
How do you feel about the snow? No idea. This is like, yeah, we are in like another world. I'm speechless. I want to see this on TV. It's live. I wanted to hit my velvety skin and the head and my hair.
Thank you.
This is awesome. Hi guys. How do you feel about the snow? Hi, how do you feel about the snow?
Yeah, also very nice, very cool.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. How do you feel about the snow?
It's very beautiful, but I'm dying.
How do you feel about the snow?
Oh, I feel good, Mama.
Hello, babe.
What do you think about the snow?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Have you ever seen this in South Africa before?
Yeah, 1980 or 82, I think. Yeah.
So how do you feel about the snow?
Huh?
How do you feel about the snow?
Hey, it's well cold, yo. Hey. Well, now you don't worry about the snow.
It's the first time I see the snow, so I'm excited. I've only seen it like once on my father's car in the morning.
Right.
It had snowed at night, so like just a little bit. So it's new to me.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about the snow? Okay, I have no clue.
Okay, now hold on. Can I take a photo of you?
Exciting, isn't it? Please email it to me. Bring your camera.
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Next to the police car. It's much more snowy.
Right bags.
Okay,
Please take his email address. New.
Thanks.
Sure. I think I'm wet.
yeah, no, that's right. TV.
Hi, how do you feel about the snow?
I'm so happy. I am so happy. I just want to marinate myself in it.
Out TBN.